Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Birdo from the Super Mario Galaxy movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Birdo from the new Super Mario Galaxy movie, let's begin with her mouth. So let's start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a C shape just like this. We're just going to kind of draw that C shape. We're going to leave it open right there. Next, right around here, let's go ahead and make a backwards C shape right around. Now, starting up here for the eyes, let's go ahead, let's make a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to kind of bring this back up like this. Let's go ahead and make a line that's just going to curve around and up here. And then we'll just do that same thing, kind of curve around and bring it back up. Let's go ahead and make a tall oval shape right here. And then we'll make another tall oval shape right here. Then we're going to color in most of this, leaving just a nice white kind of circle shape at the top here. Now I'm going to make a little line that's going to kind of curve out for the eyelash and kind of color it in. Same thing here, curve it out and back and kind of color that in. Next, starting here, we're going to bring this line up, and we're going to bring this kind of down. Then we'll bring this line up, and we're going to bring this down to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around. And then we're going to make a little line that comes down for the neck, and then a little line right here that comes up for the neck. Now for the bow on the back of her head, let's go ahead and make two little bumps here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to curve out and down. And then we're going to bring this down and up here. Same thing here, we'll bring this up and then down here. Then we're going to bring it down and back in here. We're going to curve a line here, and then we'll curve a line here. Next, let's draw her arm out here. We're going to make a line out here, and then we'll make another line out here. We're going to make a line that's going to come out to a little point. We'll make one here, and then we'll make one that kind of curves down for the thumb. We'll do that same thing here. We'll make one that kind of points out. Right here for her ring, we'll make a little circle, and then we'll make the point. Make another one here, and then we'll kind of curve this one down for the thumb. Then we're going to bring this line back, and we'll bring this line back. Next, we're going to bring this line down. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this line around. I'm going to draw this line down and kind of curved up. Then I'll make 1, 2, and 3 little bumps, and we'll kind of bring this up. And then we'll connect it with a curve. Right here, we're just going to go down and up for the leg. We're going to make a little point and up, another one, and then one more here. And we'll just kind of curve this to here and bring this in. Now, right here for the stomach, what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of draw a line that's going to come up, kind of curve it down, and then come back down. We'll do 1 and 2 little spots on here. And then we'll make a little line at the end of each finger for her nails, and we'll do the same thing right here on the edge here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Birdo from the new Super Mario Galaxy movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.